Just because I said that court politics are deeply personal rather than ideological, that does not mean that policy doesn't matter. I see this mistake all the time in fantasy as well. A world builder will create a faction of good guys who are noble, honorable, wonderfully sweet human beings, but they have absolutely shitty economic policy. They tax the snot out of the populace to fund some grand, noble, idealistic goal that doesn't actually do a damn thing to foster the physical well-being of the realm. Let me tell you what happens to those honorable good guys. They end up with a massive bloody peasant rebellion in short goddamn order. Your fantasy king can be the sweetest, kindest, most well-meaning boy to ever sit his ass on the throne. But if his actual application of policy fails to encourage trade, secure peace, protect the economy of his kingdom, he will face an uprising. Ideology might not be what the aristocratic vipers are actively fighting over in the palace corridors, but the real-world consequences of their policy remain relevant. And conversely, look at your bad guys. If your antagonists are hyper-competent administrators who pass excellent agricultural policies, keep trade routes completely safe from bandits, and ensure their peasants stay fat, healthy, and economically stable, the fact that they are ruthless, terrible human beings in their private lives is not going to matter to those peasants, not even a little.
If you liked that clip, watch the full video right here.